Welcome everyone. This is the last tutorial on chapter chemical reactions and equations. The two main topics which we will cover in this tutorial is rancidity and corrosion. Here is a quick recap for the reactions which we have already studied. Synthesis or combination, decomposition, single displacement or simply we known as displacement reaction, then double displacement, combustion. Combustion is also type of combination, and last but not least, oxidation and redox. In this video, decomposition of lead nitrate is illustrated. Watch video completely to understand what happens when we heat lead nitrate. This is a small or short video on redox reaction. We already know gaining of oxygen is oxidation and loss of oxygen is reduction. In this video, 4 aluminium, that is 4 atoms of aluminium, are combining with 3 molecules of oxygen to give 2Al2O3, that is oxidation. Here aluminium got oxidized, and in the next reaction when this same situation was repeated in opposite manner, aluminium lost oxygen, so it got reduced. Loss of electrons is oxidation, gain of electrons is reduction. Here Mg lost 2 electrons, Mg2 plus, so it became oxidized. Or when Mg gains 2 electrons, it become reduced. Now these reactions doesn't happen by themselves, and neither oxidation nor reduction can happen in a half manner. They will happen both at a same time. That is the reason we call them redox. RED stands for reduction, OX stands for oxidation. Now look at the further reactions, you will understand it very clearly. Rancidity. When the substance containing oils and fats are exposed to air, they get oxidized and become rancid, due to which their smell, taste and color changes. This process is known as rancidity. You all have observed that when you purchase a packet of Lay's, it is filled with a huge amount of gas. The gas which is inside it is nitrogen, because nitrogen will not react with oils or the fats. While if they fill it with simply oxygen, then the food material will get rancid. Also, when you purchase a dry fruit pack, that dry fruit pack is vacuumized, that is, all of the air content inside it is taken out, just to protect it from getting rancid. When you look at the advertisements for oils, most of the oils say they are with vitamin E, because vitamin E is the best antioxidant for oil. You have observed that the packet of oil which you purchase can be kept for a long period of time. Their shelf life is increased because of the presence of vitamin E inside it, or they add extra vitamin E to make it larger. Corrosion. The chemical process of slow eating up of surface of certain metals when kept in open for a long time is called corrosion. It can also be described as slow destruction of metals due to their interaction with the environment. Now, when we talk about environment, we are basically talking about water and air. In air, we specifically means oxygen. Suppose if an iron piece is kept outside and it is allowed to have moisture, that is water molecules in the form of It can be in the form of gas or liquid. And at the same time, oxygen. Then we can find a layer of rust on it. This layer of rust weakens the metal. Yes, this corrosion is also a type of oxidation, because ferrous or the iron which was there initially there on the iron plate was not having any oxygen in it. The process of addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So yes, here we can say rusting is also a type of oxidation reaction.